Hey there, I'm the HVAC repair guy. With 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor, plus my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator, I like to give you straight talk with no hype or sales fluff. Today we're taking a close look at two entry-level air conditioning units, the Ameristar A4AC5 and the Goodman GLXS3B. When you walk up to these units on a job site, the first thing you notice is how the outer cabinets are built. The Goodman GLXS3B features a louvered coil guard, which gives solid protection to the delicate aluminum fins inside against lawnmowers, hail, and stray debris. The Ameristar A4AC5 uses slotted panels rather than louvered panels, so its outdoor coil is a bit more exposed to physical impacts. Looking at performance efficiency, the Ameristar A4AC5 gives you a 15.2 SEER rating. The Goodman GLXS3B comes in lower at a 13.4 SEER rating. That efficiency bump on the Ameristar means it uses less electricity to squeeze the same amount of heat out of your home over a cooling season. On the sound side, the Goodman operates at a lower noise level of 69 decibels, while the Ameristar runs slightly louder at 74 decibels. Under the hood, both systems rely on straightforward basic technology. Both use a standard single-stage compressor that turns on at full capacity and stays there until the thermostat is satisfied. Furthermore, neither unit comes with a sound-dampening compressor blanket from the factory. As for who makes them, both are built in the USA. The Ameristar brand is manufactured under the Trane, an American standard corporate umbrella. The Goodman unit is manufactured by Daikin Comfort Technologies. When it comes to real-world installed pricing, full replacement costs depend heavily on your location, ductwork modifications, and contractor labor rates. That said, current market data puts a typical complete installation for the Goodman GLXS3B in the range of $3,500 to $5,500. The Ameristar A4AC5 generally runs slightly higher due to its higher efficiency rating, landing in the $4,000 to $5,750 range installed. Checking the warranty coverage, both manufacturers offer matching coverage terms. You get a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty on both the Ameristar A4AC5 and the Goodman GLXS3B. Neither system includes a unit replacement warranty, so if a compressor fails under warranty, you receive a replacement part rather than a brand new outdoor condenser. My clear winner between these two is the Ameristar A4AC5. Even though the Goodman runs a bit quieter and offers louvered panel protection, the Ameristar delivers 15.2 SEER compared to Goodman's 13.4 SEER at a very similar installed price point. That extra efficiency gives you lower monthly power bills for years to come, making the Ameristar the smarter long-term buy for your money.